Hey there, it's Steve.
And Courtney.
And this is the Welcome Back Courtney video.
Yes.
So Courtney has been gone now, what, 4.5 months? Longer?
Just, 4.5.
About 4.5 months. Away in the Army, Army National Guard. And a number of you, my video watchers, have been saying, when's Courtney coming home? We miss Courtney. Except for one person. You know, there's always one. And she actually made a comment about the sugar tasting video that we did, or the sugar substitutes that we did like 2 years ago, saying that it's pointless to have Courtney in a video because she's not keto. And I said, no, that's the whole reason, because she's going to be harder on things than I am. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not trying to lead you on this. So how was the Army?
Good. Good.
That's an exciting story. Which, so you did the first part in Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri.
Yep. So I was in Fort Leonard Wood for about 10, 11 weeks, and then Mississippi for 10 weeks, something like that. I didn't keep track of time too much.
So your MOS was what?
Carpentry and masonry.
And what did you build?
So we built like little tiny houses.
Okay.
So we built the foundation, everything to the roof, and we didn't do any like interior work. It was the frame mainly.
Just sort of roughed it out?
Yeah.
Okay. So would these be a house that someone would actually live in?
Like a shed.
More like a shed.
So like a shed.
Okay. So no bathroom?
No bathroom.
No Wi-Fi?
No, nothing like that.
So what was the worst part?
Being out in the field was the worst, for sure. Didn't enjoy that.
So
like camping.
Okay.
But, not in a tent, so.
And then when you were building the houses, what was the temperature like down in Mississippi? Temperature and humidity?
Hot and humid. So humid there. 90% humidity. You just walk outside and sweat. And it doesn't help that you're in long sleeve and pants, so.
Did you have to wear a mask too?
Yep.
Even outside?
Yep.
Yikes.
Yep.
So we sent you a few different care packages, and I sent you some keto stuff.
Yes.
So do you recall everything that I sent you?
So I had, my favorite thing was the Perfect Keto Nola bars. I really liked those. I had 2 different ones. Peanut butter, I think, and coconut chocolate chip. Those were delicious.
Yeah, those are pretty popular. They don't do a very good job keeping them in stock, unfortunately.
Those were good. And then I had Chalk Zero Nutella, always good, of course, delicious. And then I had the cookies from
Superfat.
Superfat.
So now Perfect Keto and Superfat are one company together. So when Perfect Keto has a sale, you can get the Superfat products.
Definitely chocolate chip, peanut butter chocolate chip are my favorite. And instead of just eating them like cookies, I put them in a cup with some milk.
Okay.
And mushed them up a little and ate it like cereal.
Okay.
It was pretty delicious.
That probably offsets that erythritol a little bit, the cooling effect?
Yeah, especially for that snickerdoodle, because
Yeah.
that's strong. It was strong there, but yeah, crushed up in some milk. That
What
was
about,
good.
I also sent you all the Superfat nut butters.
Oh yeah, yes.
Which one was your favorite out of those?
The macadamia coconut.
Okay.
I think the macadamia ones.
That's
Those
pretty
were
good.
Yeah.
Like, I recall liking the coffee and MCT oil one better, but I took that on the trip with us when we went down to fetch you in Mississippi, and I had it. I'm like, I don't like it as much as I did the first time.
Yeah, the coffee was a little
bitter.
strong,
Yeah.
bitter. Yeah.
I also I sent you those microwave mug cakes, didn't I? I didn't send you those? Oh, okay. Well, I have 3 left downstairs, so you can try those out.
Yeah, I think that was it.
That was it. Okay. Well, the good news is I have stocked up on a lot of product for us to review. So what we're going to do here in a moment, not in this video, because this is still a welcome back video, but we're going to record probably 3 back-to-back videos of product reviews so we can kind of space them out. How long are you with us this summer before you head to school?
It depends when I get a place. Okay. End of August.
Okay, so we've got maybe 6 weeks, and you've got a couple little vacations planned.
Yeah.
So if we're going to be experimenting in the kitchen together, working on recipes, we're going to have to knuckle down and get her done. Because there's a few recipes I think we have the potential to work on. I think First, a lot of things with Keto Chow. Wait till you get out onto the Keto Chow website and just look at some of the recipes. I think that's going to spur some ideas. But also, I've been in talks with Chipmunk Baking. Remember when we had their cookies or bites?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a blue bag.
I don't remember. I think they had a couple different colors,
Okay.
but
Yeah, I remember that.
I've had discussions with them about potentially making a cookie for them.
Oh.
But I'm not a good cookie maker. So,
Well, I'm not a good cookie maker.
but maybe if we combine our powers, we can be an average cookie maker and do
Maybe.
something that's good enough to put the Serious Keto name on. I think it would be fun too to see if we could come up with some sort of cool cracker or something. I haven't done a cracker recipe in a long time.
Yeah, those seed crackers are good.
Yeah, it'd be nice to come up with something, a little different, a little, I don't know yet, but we'll put our minds together. I got some cookbooks that I think you're going to be interested in seeing. So we've got our work cut out for us. Mm-hmm. Is there anything you're excited to make?
I'm just excited to eat some fresh vegetables.
Well, we should have some coming from the garden
Yeah.
fairly soon.
I'm pretty excited to eat some food from the garden.
I bet we'll probably have zucchini by this weekend.
Yeah,
so
make
we'll have
some
that.
zoodles.
And we've got,
Can you have zucchini?
oh yeah,
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
some zoodles.
and I got spaghetti squash growing, but that's a little ways away.
Yeah.
A lot of peppers coming in, so ranging from hot to really mild, sort of sweet. So maybe we can by this weekend.
Poblanos?
No poblanos. Jeez, I never get. Whenever I try and grow poblanos, I only get just a few on a plant. It's for the amount of effort that I need to put into it. I'll go buy them.
Yeah.
Go to the farmer's market and get some. So what do you say we wrap this up?
All right.
This video will drop on Thursday, and then depending on whether or not I can come up with a quick recipe video for Friday, Friday will either be that recipe that I come up with, or it'll be the first of the reviews that we're about to do right now.
Awesome.
So what do we say?
Thanks for watching.
Is that what you say, or that's
See
what
you
I say?
next time.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.